So, you want to know if Booster Team is still worth it in 2022? Hi, my name is Ilde. I've been dropshipping for 5 years now. I'm running multiple stores at the moment, and today I'm going to give you an honest review and my honest opinion of Booster Team. So, yeah, to start off, I'm going to show you what Booster Team offers. I'm going to talk a bit about the cons. I'm going to talk about how Booster Team increased my conversion rate personally for one of my stores. And I'm gonna talk a bit about if Booster Team is worth it for you in 2022. So yeah, to start things off, let's go over what Booster Team has to offer. So basically, these are the most important parts that Booster Team offers at the moment, which are great reasons to buy. So first thing is site speed optimization. Using their team will automatically optimize your site speed. They enable stuff like lazy loading images, scripts will be loaded optimally, and the whole team basically is made for speed. So it will automatically speed up your store if you have not done any work to speed up your store at the moment. And also, people forget that the number one thing that you can that um, will determine your conversion rate is actually your site speed. So the slower your site is, the harder time you will have to convert customers. So yeah, that's a great feature that Booster Team offers. Now, secondly, is urgency and scarcity. They do this with a bunch of different apps, basically countdown timers, stock counter app. They also show X amount of people are looking at this product. X amount of people have this product in their cart. They have pop-ups basically that show, hey, so and so has purchased this item 18 hours ago. Stuff you would see in scarcity apps and stuff like that. This team has that integrated into it. Now, their whole design basically of the team is designed for conversion rate. So it's designed for people to complete the checkout process fast as possible, and it just funnels down all of the traffic into a nice funnel. It's made to convert basically. Now, the next great thing about Booster Team is that you're gonna save a bunch of money on Shopify apps because it covers those scarcity apps I just talked about. They have an upsell app integrated into the team, so you won't need an upsell app. They have a newsletter pop-up. You won't need an app for that. Also, you will not need an app for stuff like the payment icons below because they Booster Team offers that too. Yeah, there's just a bunch of things that Booster Team offers that normally you can only get with apps. Oh, another thing is they offer a banner basically that shows, hey, X amount of money until you have free shipping, until you have unlocked free shipping. That's another feature. The top bar, the cookie banner. So yeah, that's all. Those are all stuff that is all stuff that normally you only get access to with apps, and Booster Team basically provides that for you within their team. And also having that feature or all those features make sure that your site still loads quickly, because most of the time what happens is you install a bunch of apps on your team, right, or on your store, and it slows down your whole store altogether. A huge pain in the ass. You have to go back and you have to basically find out which app is causing the issue, blah blah blah. So yeah, the fact that Booster Team has this all in their team and integrated in their team is a great thing for your site speed as well. Now, they also have great presets. So they have a bunch of different presets. I think they have like 26, 27 different presets that you can choose from. So both offering basically themes or presets for a small catalog, a big catalog, and a whole bunch of different niches. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, and lastly, it's just a great plug and play solution for anyone that wants to start an e-commerce store or has an e-commerce store and just wants to increase their conversion rate or their average order value. Um, so yeah, and it's plug and play. You don't need to do a lot of or any coding if you don't have any specific requirements. You don't need to do any coding whatsoever. You don't need to install any apps, or maybe one or two apps, but yeah, just very minimal stuff. So it's pretty much plug and play. All right, so let me show you the Booster Team presets. So I prepared a couple here. Let me actually show you all the presets they offer. There we go. So they offer a total of 27 different presets. So, and like you can see, they have a tea store, shoe store, gentleman store, fashion store. They have a one product store. I think they have two different teams for that. Yeah, single product one, single product two. And then they have a bunch of different themes for different niches. So baby care, outdoor store, hunting store, kitchen store, right? So yeah, those are all great presets to choose from. So let me show you a couple of their presets. So this one is for Blendjet actually. I don't think this is loading correctly at the moment. There we go. All right, so yeah, for some reason the video is not loading. Whatever. So yeah, basically what they do here is they, having a one product store, you can basically use Booster Theme to create one funnel page. So if you're using something like Gem Pages or Shogun, this is actually much cheaper, because if you go with a lifetime license, you basically have paid for 1 year of Shogun or 1 year of Gem Pages. So yeah, it's just a great theme for a one product store altogether. Yeah, the video has loaded. So that is actually a thing that lazy loading does. So it will blur that image so that the site itself loads faster. Yeah, if you do not want that, you can actually disable that. But yeah, in their case, I think it's not worth it, because you want the video to be crisp right away. But yeah, if you're not using video on your homepage, I would definitely recommend enabling lazy loading. Yeah, so let's go over some different ones. So here you can see the collection page. Now this is the banner I was talking about with the only 40 more for free shipping, right? So if I add something to the cart right here, it will update. So I'll add this to cart. Right, let's go back, continue shopping. Yeah, now you see 28 more for only 28 more for free shipping. So that is something they offer inside of the theme. The banner here, that's fully customizable, top banner. The different ways that you can basically structure your description. So the tabs that they have here, right? You can use tabs, accordions, you can use a whole bunch of different stuff to basically make your description. And also the great thing is they offer upsells, right? So you can basically create bundle upsells or create bundles for each product specifically, and also multiple bundles. Yeah, and that's just a great way to increase your average order value. Now, what they also do is see this thing here. This is a stock counter, right? They basically have that in their team, and they also have a countdown timer that I couldn't find on any of their presets, but I know that they have one because I use it on my store currently. Yeah, so you see products will be delivered between, and this is all dynamic, so this changes, right? So if you put 7 days, this will be, or 1 to, what is this? 1 to, my math is bad. There were 5, so 1 to 5, this is 1 to 5 days, right? So it will update automatically without you having to do anything, because it's dynamic. 62 people watching this item, this will update as well. They have the bundle thing again, right? And also if I move my thing here, see that Yadira purchased something, so they have that too to increase the urgency, right? Yeah, see, so this is also this, right? The messaging and the Facebook messaging, that's all stuff that comes with the theme. You don't actually need to install any other apps to be able to do that, because Booster Theme takes care of that. Let's see, so yeah, let's see the pet niche, right? Looks great. Oh, also something that I wanted to show is that on the collection pages, if we go to let's say new arrivals, right? Now you see that these products all have add to carts. Yeah, that's also a great feature to basically be able to increase the average order value, because people will, it will be easier for people to scroll back and basically, add to cart products on the collection page without having to click on the products first. They can simply add to cart right away from the collection page. So another great thing that Booster Team offers. So, but yeah, they just have a bunch of different functionalities and stuff that that normally you would only get from apps, and Booster Team simply integrates that into the team itself. Also, this right here, that's something to I don't have that currently on my team enabled, but the 30-day countdown timer for the sale, right? So yeah, they also have the newsletter pop up. Don't think that any of I think I already clicked it away for these themes, but yeah. Anyway, so let's go back to the review. So I'm gonna talk a bit about the cons. So there's only two cons basically that I found with Booster Theme, and that is number one, that you're still missing some features of apps. So something like reviews, for example, I would still recommend having a separate app for that. So yeah, it's just a shame that Booster Theme does not offer this at the moment. Let's see what else. So yeah, basically the review app. And what did I miss too? I missed yeah, so personally, for my product specifically, the bundling option was not that great because I need more customization options. For most people with the standard average product, this will be enough. But for me personally, I needed more customization for those bundles. So yeah, for me, I need a separate app for that. So reviews and bundles for me. I think for most people, only the review app would be a con that you do not have that integrated with the booster theme, and you need to have a separate app for that. I would recommend Lux or Judge Me if you want to go the free route. So, and the second thing that is a con of Booster Theme is that some customizations still need coding. Now, Booster Theme does offer a great solution to this. You can actually put in custom coding directly into the theme builder. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you how that works right now because I don't want to show my store. But yeah, basically what it does is inside of the menu of the theme builder, you can click on custom coding, custom CSS, and then you can add in all your custom coding there without even having to touch the theme. So that is great. I think for most people they don't even need that much customization, but for me, I wanted to have like specific things on my product page and specific rules for different styles and different designs. So yeah, for me, I did need to add a little bit of custom coding, but for most people, I don't think that's even necessary. All right, so how Booster Team increased my conversion rate personally. So basically, this image that you see on the left side is from before I started using Booster Team. You can see it's this is from 1 week. You can see it's a 2.38% conversion rate. I haven't been using Booster Team for a month yet, so it wouldn't make sense for me to show you monthly views. So I choose to show you weekly views. So yeah, so this week I wasn't using Booster Team. It's 2.38% conversion rate. And here on the right side, you can see that this week I was using Booster Team. Same ad spend, same everything. And basically my conversion rate increased by almost a whole 2%, 1.7%. That is an insane amount of conversion rate increase. And basically the reasons that this happened are, one is site speed, because my site was already optimized for speed but simply didn't load and wasn't responsive enough on all different devices. And once I installed Booster Team, basically my page speed increased by 1 second. So it was a high loading time of like 3.5 seconds, and now that's 2.5 seconds. That's a big jump. And also it was way more responsive on all different devices. So iPhone, iPad, tablets, whatever, desktop, laptops. So yeah, that's number one. Number two is scarcity and urgency. The stuff that you saw with the stock counter app, that's something I added. I added the countdown timer app or countdown timer inside of Booster Team, basically creating a huge bunch of urgency. And the last thing that I did with Booster Team was basically, or well, not that I did that, but basically what helped is that the design itself is just optimized for conversion. So if I compare it to the theme I was using first, which was also a custom theme, that I fully customized myself with the help of a developer. If I compare Booster Team to that, I can clearly see that Booster Team is it just funnels down to that conversion, right? And that's what you want with your store. All right, so you're gonna ask, is Booster Team still worth it in 2022? So I would say yes. You save money on apps. So like I said, let's say you're using Gem Pages or something like Shogun, right? A page builder. You're paying $30 a month. If you do that, 12 months, then you have $360 a year. And yeah, a booster theme is, I think at the moment is like $2.99, something like that, for a lifetime license, or even $3.99. But even then, so the thing is, even then, you will be saving money after 1 year of using it. You can also go, even if you would go with the yearly plan and not go with the lifetime, you would still basically save money. So because I think the yearly license is 250, something like that. So yeah, I mean, you basically save a bunch of money on apps. It boosts your conversion rate, it boosts your average order value, and it does all of that because of the integrated features that Booster Team offers. And the greatest thing of all is that it has a 14-day money back guarantee. So let's say you install it and you do not like it for whatever reason, or it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work with your products, whatever the reason may be, they'll actually refund your money if you are within that 14-day window. Now, I personally had a great experience with this because I accidentally bought three lifetime licenses and I only needed two. Now, I only figured out I bought three after like I think a month or so, and they were still happy to refund my third purchase. So, yeah, definitely can vouch for them regarding their refund policy. So, yeah, I mean, if you're interested, I would really appreciate it if you would use the link below because I will get a commission. Now, I want to say, obviously, I am a little biased because I am an affiliate of Booster Team in this sense. But I want to also say that the videos that I saw until now on YouTube basically show you, are basically from people that are not into e-commerce as much and do not run their own store, right? So they're only going to look superficially at Booster Team and review it from a not really tested experience. They didn't actually run ads to their store, right? So for me, I actually ran ads to my store, didn't change anything, and I can see a huge increase in my conversion rate from just using Booster Team. And also, I'm a small YouTube channel. This is my second video, so there's no need for me to affiliate myself with something that I don't stand behind. So I mean, yeah, if you want to check it out, it's free to check out. Well, not free, but basically you have a money back guarantee for 14 days. So yeah, it's basically no risk. If you want to check it out, I would appreciate it if you would use my link below because I'll get a commission. Also, like and subscribe if you like the video. And yeah, comment down below what you think of it. All right.